Meaning of ing.
ing,
ing.
ing,
ing. The suffix ing is frequently used in English to form present participles, gerunds, and verbal nouns. When used as a present participle, ing essentially functions as an adjective. It describes the subject of a sentence or clause as being in the process of performing the action indicated by the main verb. As a gerund, ing functions as a noun and refers to a specific action or activity. Verbal nouns created with ing refer to the action or state described by the verb and often function as the subject or object of a sentence. Overall, ing adds flexibility and nuance to the English language.